to send voice message in Discord on PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. While Discord in PC version does not have direct voice sending feature like in your mobile phone, there is an alternative way by which you can send voice message on Discord in your PC. So simply launch your start button and then open a voice recorder app, record your voice and simply save it. After you have saved it, you just have to tap on this plus icon and send that voice message as a file and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.